Do you know that a lot of e-commerce owners are making 20, 50, or even 100K per month in revenue, but they don't have any profit and they don't even know what's going on? The two most popular reasons people fail in e-commerce are that they don't know their own numbers and they don't produce enough good content. And we will dive deep into the first problem in this video, business number. And I'm not talking about ROAS or some basic numbers like that. I'm talking about something on a deeper level. Hi everyone, I'm Zach, and on this channel, I'll deliver deep insights that you can leverage to skyrocket your e-com business. I personally scaled multiple e-com brands to 5K a day to multiple 7 figures over the last 6 years, including electronics, clothing, pet products, and many more other niches. I've also been running a lot of different types of e-com models like dropshipping, Amazon FBA, private labeling, POD, and reselling. So back to the topic. As you know, the ad costs are rising every year and the CPM now is higher than ever before. It's very important to know and understand your business metrics. And today, I'm going to show you how you can increase your sales and profit for your e-com business without spending more money on ads. If I ask you right now, what is your average cost of goods sold, or what is your sales velocity for each SKU? Can you answer that? To make it easier for you to understand, I'll give you an actual example of a clothing store that I'm running to show you how even small decisions can dramatically boost your business profit. Okay, so here's the thing. So we are providing promotion for people who buy 3 items on our website, let's say, okay? So the first type of promotion is a fixed discount where we discount 1/3 of the total price. So out of 3 items, they get 1/3 off, 33%, right? And the second type of promotion is a buy 2 and get 1 free. So which means they get 3 items, but they only pay for 2. So basically, the same. If we are selling $50 t-shirt, and if that's all what they're buying is the $50 t-shirt, so original price is $150, and the customer pay $100 after the discount and after the promotion. So both cases are the same. But things are getting really exciting when people buy different items at different price point. So as you can see here, the $50, $60, and $70, with a fixed discount, they only pay $120 out of $180. But for this type of promotion, they pay $130 instead of $120. And the reason is we get them the free items, but we get them the lowest tier, which is the $50 here. And we can set it all up very easily inside our website. You might think that $10 is not much, right? But $10 here is a pure profit because you're paying for same cost of goods sold. You're paying for same ad spend. You're paying for same app subscription. Basically, everything is the same. So $10 here is go directly into your profit. And you might have one question that, $10 is not much compared to $50, $60, $70 price tag, right? Let me tell you something else. Let's say with the fixed price, you get $20 profit margin after all. So let's say the customer paying you $120 and your 20% profit margin is equal to $24 in profit after the selling one package of those 3 items after the discount. With $10 increase, you just increase from 24 to 34, right? Which is equal to increase 41% in profit. $10 divided by 24 is 41.67%, right? Without changing anything, without changing your ads, without changing your website much, you instantly boost your profit to 41%. Very easily, just by understand how numbers work inside your website, inside your business. And this is one small example that what I want to show you. You might have one question: what type of metrics that you should collect in order to make those type of decisions? In order to answer to that question, I already prepared this table, including all of the basic metrics that you can collect. There are a lot more advanced metrics, but let's focus on these first. You need to have these like in your manager toolkit or like inside your Excel sheet or whatever tools that you are using. So basically on the start ad level, the top of funnel level, you need to collect the total of reach to your ads, number of impressions, frequency, CPM, CTR, total link clicks. It's not total click. You can only focus on total link clicks in the CPC. Everything here can be collected from the ad managers, whether you use Meta Ad Manager or like TikTok Ad Manager or like Google Ad Manager, all the same. You can collect all of these. If you're running videos, you need to collect average video playtime, and the stat need to be bigger or equal 5 seconds, so on average. If not, you need to find different angles or messages for that ad, for that specific ad. If people just watch your ad for 2 seconds on average, you need to change the angle. You need to test different hook. You need to change the messages. And the hook rate, let's say, hook rate is the total number of people who play the first 3-second videos over the total impression. And the hook rate need to be more than 25%. Normally, I'm going to aim for 30, 35, or even 40% in some cases. But if anything less than 25% is not good, you need to change the hook. You need to test different one. So hook rate is the number of people who watch the whole thing. Very important to keep track on. And the retention rate, you need to keep track on different milestones, like 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% of people who are watching the whole thing. So you see where they drop, and you watch again your ads, and you can analyze, and you can use this statistic to draw a benchmark for your team. Let's say you have most of people drop at 75% for most of the videos, but the next video you release, people only stop at 25%. You know something is wrong with the messages, and you watch the first 25% of the video to figure it out. For the website statistic, you need to collect your content view. You need to collect the ratio of the total link click and content view. This ratio is very important because it represents the loading speed of your website. If the total link click, and let's say you have 100 people clicks through your ads, but only 50 people landing to a website, recorded as content view, you know that you have the loading speed problem. Anything lower than 3 seconds is considered too slow. You need to have your banner, your add to cart button, and your first image of the product page appear to the customer within 2 seconds. All right. So you need to collect the number of people add to cart, check out, and the view and checkout ratio. If this ratio is less than 7%, which means that you should improve your website content. You need to collect the people add of payment info, the purchase, and the checkout and purchase ratio. Checkout purchase ratio should be always more than 40%. If it's less than 40%, there's something wrong with your website. If you see that ratio drop, you can try to change the shipping policies, because that the way people see the shipping rates. Okay, you can try to change it. Try to make it like a little bit different. You can use checkout flows from email flow. You can use any email provider out there. It doesn't matter whether you use MailChimp or Klaviyo, kind of the same. If everything doesn't work for you, what you can do is you can change your pixel. You can try to change your pixel, change your page, or even like change the ad account. Just try everything, because this is very important. If you have like drop here, it means like TikTok or Facebook targeting the wrong people. Some advanced website information that you can collect where people drop, which mean like, and everything here you can collect by the tool is Hotjar, called Hotjar. Just again, I'm not getting any sponsorship from any of them, any of the apps here inside the video. They should, but they don't, right? Where people drop, you can collect where people drop. You can see where people drop, where they click and scroll to. Like a lot of people just click to the add cart button right away, or they just scroll to the review page to read the reviews. And you know what you need to put there, right? You need to ask people to leave more reviews. If you see most of viewers going to your website and just read reviews only, you need to focus on that. And where they stop to read content, or whether they stop at your video or they just scroll past your video, which means that you need to change your thumbnail, right? You need people to consume your consume your content of your website a little bit, so that can give you a lot of insight. In terms of the operation, you need to collect the cost of goods sold, the sales velocity for each item, and each SKU. It's not the total generic numbers. You need SKU sales velocity. You need to collect the lead time, the shipping time, inventory level, and changes in the last 60 days. So why 60 days, not 30 days or 90 days? So 60 days is just a number, okay? It totally depends on your niche, on your product. It can either 9 days or it can be 30 days. It totally depends. Just collect based on historical data. You can store all of these statistics inside an Excel sheet, or you can using Airtable, which is a tool like basically is a SQL. It can allow you to build a database of everything related to your business inside. Very interesting tool. However, it's a little bit steep learning curve in order to use it properly. You can use Excel sheet or CSV file, it's still fine. Okay. So here, yeah, that's the thing. When you collect all of those metrics, you can easily understand what's going wrong in your business, and you can get it. You can improve it very easily and quickly, and you can split testing them. There are multiple of apps that allow you to test, like doing A/B testing for the website. You can do A/B testing for website, A/B testing for ad, A/B testing for the different type of promotion. Okay, so you know where the customer drop, and you can get it. You make it improve. Okay, so as you see, by understanding your numbers, you not only can come up with more strategic solutions for your business, but also can improve your current profit margin. So with the same advertising cost, you bring more profit home after all. If you want more in-depth of the stuff around eCom, hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna release many more valuable videos soon, like how to leverage AI in eCom to get advantages, how to optimize your website for better conversion, what is the best Facebook and TikTok ad strategy in 2024, how to do inventory planning, hiring and training to create an A-player e-commerce team, and advertising content creation. So please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and not miss out on those hot stuff. See you on the other video.